enormous animals.
Megalodon was a really big super predator. Right now we don't have...
Megalodon had no trouble carving into the era's dolphins, sea turtles, and especially whales. Some of its teeth were 7 inches long.
What we find is prey.
As the titans battle, the backplates of Stegosaurus turn red with congested blood.
Quetzalcoatlus's metabolism demands that it eat regularly. Empowering this streamlined body means finding rich sources of protein, like a 3-pound baby T-Rex.
Tiny limbs at the front help balance that massive head with that huge skull and those massive teeth.
With all these ingenious adaptations for flight, the pterosaurs now had the freedom of the skies.
Allosaurus deserves its notoriety because it's big and bizarre with an incredibly bad attitude.
Rather than...
Why did it have such huge forearms tipped with gigantic and weighing 8 tons? Spinosaurus was nearly a beast. Enter Spinosaurus.
There's a commotion.
Saber-toothed cats.
In a violent prehistoric world, this feline stands center stage. It fears no one and no thing. The skeletal structure reveals that a saber-tooth didn't use raw speed to... A big cat sees a perfect opportunity. But destroy a saber-tooth.
They had the ability to go for 2 years, if necessary, without food. They had the ability to go for months without drinking. And their entire bodies, their entire physiology is pretty bulletproof. We call them ultimate predator, we call them ultimate survival.
It's the late Triassic period, and dinosaurs are just beginning their reign. Some of the first lived right here.
This would have been a turkey-sized dinosaur, similar to the small dinosaur Coelophysis. It was a fast little animal with 3 toes, just like a bird. The shoreline of this very, very shallow, large lake.
But thirsty Coelophysis dinosaurs visiting this New York watering hole have to hurry.
For food and for water, and probably get out of there as fast as they could because the area had no cover at all.
Taken together, the feathers and colors provide some fascinating clues about how Anchiornis acted.
They might circle around each other and size each other up, and maybe it flares up its feathers to display these patterns.
We know Anchiornis wasn't airborne because its feathers were